Nigerian novelist na kilala sa things apart tungkol sa culture and colonialism at culture and identity. First, we will define the story element. We have characters. Okonjo, a proud and hardworking leader. Siya ay isang magiting na mandirigma. Noye, completed son. Ikemuna, the boy who wants to the family. Edwina, Okonjo's intelligent daughter. Then the last is the missionaries by Brown, Mr. Brown and Reverend Smith, who brings you the day. Next is Edwin. passions like taking Mimuna's death can lead to personal and economic difficulties. It teaches that excessive pride, rigid traditions, and lack of compassion like taking Mimuna's death can destroy individuals and communities. A Marxist reading shows how colonial powers gain control over equal societies through politics, religion, and economics, revealing the struggle between local authority and foreign domination. In the Marxist, it shows how colonial powers control equal societies through politics, religion, and economics, highlighting the struggle between local authority and foreign domination. A feminist analysis highlights the male-dominated structure of unequal society, the limitations faced women, and how characters like eczema prove that intelligence and strength are not limited to them. Here in feminist criticism, it highlights the male-dominated environment. It shows that intelligence and strength are not limited to men. Historical criticism. Historically, the novel reflects real ego culture and true effects of European colonization in Africa during the 19th century, showing how cultural disruption happened in many countries. In historical criticism, it reflects the real ego culture and affects the European colonization. In 19th century, Africa showing how communities were disrupted. And lastly, the reader response criticism. From a reader response view, each reader may feel differently. Some may appreciate Okonkwo, others may criticize his harshness, while many may sympathize with Moyen or feel angry toward colonial justice. So the reader may feel sympathy for Okonkwo, criticize his harshness, sympathize with Moyen, or feel angry toward colonial justice. In short, the reader response nakadepende siya sa kung unsa ang maingon sa